Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got some Happy Mail that I want to share with you. So I got a card. I purchased some bags from Queen's Crafts by Bridget, and she is amazing. Only Froggy can't get the card out of the envelope because she's not that smart. Ah, I got the card out. So, this is awesome. Bridget's amazeballs. You're welcome, Bridget. She's included these. Look, they're crayons. I love them. So she's included those. And I'm going to show you the bags I got. Make sure I get. Okay, so the first one I got is blanket sized, and it is huge, but it is amazing. And look at that, it is huge. But look at the cats. Look at the cat. The white glows in the dark, and not that you can really tell, but it does glow in the dark. And inside, oh. Get my hand on it. Waka 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 waka. Look, it's so adorable. It's so adorable. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. I loves it. Oh my gosh, you guys can't really tell that it's glowing in the dark. Hang on. Let me see if I can get it to glow. I don't know if it's gonna glow very well. It's glowing a little bit. It's glowing a little bit. See if you can kind of see. Oh, come on. I had it a minute ago. There we go. Oh, it was glowing a minute ago. Okay. Well, I was trying to get it to glow. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it to glow very well on camera. I'm going to have to take a photo. But it was glowing. It was, I could see it in my room when I walked in and it was dark. It was cool. And then I got this one with the cardinals. Look at these. These are beautiful. Look at how gorgeous they are. Look at that. Pusheen quit. And I got one in here too. I got another one in here too to go with it. I got the cardinals because, you know, my dad and my son, and then Donna and Sharon had passed. So, you know, it recognizes all the friends that had passed and my family and the deaths of my family. So I got the cardinals and I loves it. And then, oh, when I picked it up, it fell. Sorry. And then she said, made us one. Oh. Look, I love them. I love them. I love them. This is amazeballs. I loves it. I have a big alien bag already with the alien knot bag. And look at this. Look, I can put notions in here. I can put my hooks in here. I can put a project in here. I loves it. And it's got magnetic snaps. They just, it snaps. It's magnetic snaps. This is amazeballs, guys. So you've got to check out Queen's Crafts by Bridget. She's amazing. So I'm going to link her in the description box below. I absolutely love her stuff. She's awesome. But I hope you enjoyed these bags. Probably not as much as I'm going to enjoy them. In the meantime, please stay safe. Be kind to one another. Thank you, Bridget. As always, happy yarning. Bye now.